everyone. It's story time again with Miss Levi. Today, I will be telling you a story entitled The Magic Donkey Ride by Giles Andre and Vanessa Caban. Have you tried riding a donkey? But not a running donkey or a walking donkey, but a flying donkey. Okay, so the story goes like this. This is Trickle, a donkey with a golden brown coat and a colorful saddle. There's red, blue, purple, pink, green, and orange. This is Jack the farmer, and this little boy is Flynn, the closest friend of Trickle. He loved to go and ride on him. But you know what? Farmer Jack was wondering why Trickle doesn't like his saddle to be taken off. Why do you think Trickle doesn't like his saddle to be taken off? Let's find out. One day, Trickle whispered something to Flynn. "Meet me here at midnight when the farmer's gone to bed." Flynn immediately said yes. That night, Flynn was so excited that he didn't sleep at all. When the kitchen clock struck midnight, he tiptoed down the hole. The moon is shining, the stars are twinkling. Flynn ran to the meadow and saw Trickle waiting for him. "I'm going to take you on a magic donkey ride. Please take off my saddle." Remember, guys, at first, Trickle doesn't like his saddle to be taken off. But now, he asked Flynn to take off his saddle. After that, you know what happened? Wow! You've got wings! Yes, and it's our secret. Don't tell anybody. Now, are you ready for a ride? Yes! Shouted Flynn. Trickle spread his wings out and looked up the sky. "Let's go!" And they began to fly. They flew higher and higher and higher until they almost touched the moon and stars. "This is truly fantastic!" Flynn shouted. Then Trickle landed softly and asked Flynn to put back the saddle to hide his wings away. So Flynn put back his saddle, patted and kissed Trickle's head. Then long before the morning, he was fast asleep in bed. So that was the story of the magic donkey ride. Thank you for listening, guys, and good night, sleepyhead.